The WorkStation Professional from ACI Laser GmbH has been specially developed to handle series production marking work and fairly large parts. It can be set up in a variable way and is suitable as a desktop workstation. It is ACI's most flexible system and provides space for parts that are up to 600 mm wide and 600 mm deep. The highlight of this solution is the standard integrated X-axis, which expands the marking area to a maximum figure of 510 mm. Depending on the lens used in the laser system, parts up to 440 mm high can be marked using the electronically controlled Z-axis. By using the optional Y-axis, the marking area for the laser can be expanded to 510 mm by 350 mm. The WorkStation Professional therefore enables operators to mark several parts automatically in a single operation. An electrical safety cover door with integrated laser protection glass ensures safe operations in line with Laser Protection Class 1 regulations. The door opens and closes automatically when the laser marking process starts or finishes. Two visible red line lasers are integrated in the system for rapidly and simply focusing parts with different heights. This function can be very helpful to achieve the correct focal height if parts are changed frequently. A preview function enables operators to position parts in the workstation quickly and efficiently. The complete system is controlled by the marking software Magic Mark V3. This has an intuitive user interface which makes it easy for operators to use the system. During series marking operations, the workstation can practically work automatically once it has been set up. All the marking data, positions and parameters can be saved and accessed when required. The WorkStation Professional can be adapted to the marking task at hand with a suitable ACI laser. When configuring the system, it is possible to use different ACI, ND-YAG, fiber or CO2 lasers. A comprehensive range of accessories provides more possibilities for adapting the machine. For example, a rotary axis can be installed for seamless all-round markings. Permanent and wear-resistant markings are possible on a wide variety of materials, and they are used, for example, in the automobile, electrical and mechanical engineering industries. The WorkStation Professional from ACI Laser. ACI Lasers, made in Germany.